When you think of cybersecurity, you might think of it as an IT issue. In reality, it's a business-wide priority. From your CEO to your newest hire, everyone needs to be trained in cybersecurity. Why? Because cyber threats are targeted at everyone all the time. Criminals send out phishing emails which pretend to be from a person or company you trust. It only takes one employee to click one bad link to give them access to your system and potentially put everyone at risk. There are several ways to train your team. Online courses are great for flexible learning. People can go at their own pace. In-person or virtual workshops can be effective for hands-on learning. And interactive training is the most effective. Why? Because it engages people with real-world scenarios, making the lessons stick. Interactive training often includes quizzes, role-playing, and even simulated cyber attacks. This hands-on approach helps employees understand what to look out for and how to react. But training needs to be a regular, not just a one-time thing. You wouldn't train for a marathon once and expect to be fit forever, right? Cybersecurity is the same. Our team are cybersecurity experts and can advise on the best way to protect your people. Get in touch.